Hey, it's Lawton Chiles. I want to personally thank you for registering for my masterclass on conversion. It's called How to Slash Your Ad and Lead Costs by 43%. The reason I'm sharing these secrets, methods, and tactics with you is this stuff is the cornerstone of converting cold and hot traffic to your offers. Cold being traffic that doesn't know who you are, hot traffic being people that, of course, are very familiar with you. These are simple, easy to use, ultra powerful ways to crank up the leads and sales for your promotions, whatever you're promoting, right? So it could be live events, it could be e-commerce stuff, it could be information products. So here's some frank talk about what's been going on with the conventional advertising that you're starting to see, okay? Especially if you're using paid media at all in your marketing, which is, if you're not using paid media, this presentation can't help you. But 90% of all business owners are looking at the wrong data when it comes to getting your ads and stuff working and getting your landing pages working and getting your marketing working. They believe it's always the ad or the audience's fault when the promotion does not convert. And that's really not the case. These experts think they need to redo their webinars, their entire email campaign follow-up systems. Even their very personality needs to be reworked in order to sell before they could find what could be wrong with their promotions. And it's a lot of heavy lifting that a lot of people are doing, and it's completely unnecessary, and they're pulling out their hair wondering what to do next, okay? And this is a common problem I see all the time, and it's a huge lie, because the lie about conventional advertising, especially using paid media, is the one that Google and Facebook are profiting handsomely from, very, very handsomely. This lie helps them rake in billions per year and helps give their companies a combined market value of over $1.4 trillion. That's trillion with a T. So they say you should just keep burning a hole in your pocket, and your marketing woes and your conversion issues will just go away, right? That's what Google and Facebook tell you. In many cases, and many times, that's just not the case, as you've seen, right? So, and we all try to complicate what should be very simple. Instead of fixing the one thing which matters, I see people, and I'm guilty of this too, try to fix all these things which make zero difference to their main goal. And what is your main goal? Well, if you're in business like me, your main goal is to make money and make the world a better place, right? That's really your main goal. My clients and I found that doing a little tweaking either before the ad or after the ad increases the amount of big sales wins and increases the amount of leads that we can get for very little money, way less than what we were currently paying. So examples of this are, we did a few tweaks and went from 25% conversion on a landing page webinar to a 68% conversion. And we changed a headline on another page after the ad, and we saw an extra $25,000 in just 7 days. All from that one little test, okay? And all of this happened using what I like to call the ATE method, ATE. And inside of this presentation, I'm going to show you the simple three-part system which works like gangbusters to find the right angles and hooks, convince a skeptical audience to take the actions that you want them to take, identify new and fresh ways to ramp up the pages before or after your ad so your lead costs go down and your sales go up, and take a magnifying glass and get really under the hood where the emotional triggers and phrases lie for getting more people to take action more often. And much, much more that I don't have time to go through here. So I'll show you what the ATE method is and how you can use it for bigger wins more often. So I'll show you what the ATE method is and how you can use it for bigger wins more often. Plus, you'll discover the missing pieces most aren't aware of in this space to get higher conversions, higher sales, and make your marketing much more effective. So I'll see you in the masterclass in just a few minutes. You don't need to do anything. You should just be able to stay on this page. The only thing you should do is prepare to take notes. You should be automatically redirected. If you're not automatically redirected, then after the timer goes to 0, all you need to do is refresh the page. So anyway, but just make sure that you're here, you stay here, and it will automatically play for you. I can't wait to let me know what you think, and be prepared to take notes. Again, this is Lawton Chiles. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you on the training in just a few seconds.